I often find myself dividing my local file system into directories by year. This structure helps me keep track of my work, but it can also lead to a scattered collection of files. Recently, I faced a challenge. I needed to consolidate all my Jupyter notebooks from a specific year into a single, comprehensive Markdown document. This would not only make it easier to review my work but also allow me to generate a PDF document for sharing. To tackle this, I turned to the Markitdown library in Python, which simplifies the process of converting Jupyter notebooks into Markdown format. This screencast demonstrates the results of a custom-built Python script that uses the Markitdown library to collate a collection of Jupyter notebooks into a single Markdown document. Check the description for the link to the script. To generate a PDF from the output file, I utilize Typst along with the cmark package available in the Typst universe. The output Markdown file required minimal editing, primarily to correct the paths to figures. Markitdown is an incredible library that extends beyond Jupyter notebooks and can be useful in a variety of use cases. This video presents just one possible application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a blog post where you can find the source code used in this screencast. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is especially important for creators like me. See you next time.